Okay, I'm right here. This is good. You got to go bigger on the arms. Bigger. No. It's this. It's this motion right here. It's this.
Honk the horn, dude! Come on, you smiled at me!
He smiled at you?
Yeah. And I was doing like a jack-off thing. I was going like this.
Yeah, no, I had to correct your
You
form.
have to go like this.
You got to go like this, dude.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, you were. What was this?
I was doing like.
Yeah, you're like, I'm gonna jerk you off. That was a whole different kind of thing.
He smiled at me.
Yeah, maybe he liked it.
What'd you say?